Hi everyone, I'm Pam Allen and I am one of the co-owners of Subtrio. Subtrio is an all-in-one platform, and so I am here to share all what it does. So, first and foremost, I have a question for you. Why are you paying for 10 different tools when you can have them all in one? That's what Subtrio is. Yes, this is the secret weapon, and for keeping it simple and saving a lot of money. It has helped me grow my business over 50K just this year. And it has all to do with what Subtrio has to offer. Yes, Subtrio is a white label of high level. And so you know high level if you know anything about it. It has been around for a while and it is highly recommended. So Sadie Smiley, passiveincomepathways.com. She started PIPS with Subtrio, and we've had Subtrio probably for about 2 to 3 years now. I want to say close to three. We tried so many different platforms to see how it would work for us, and we kept getting let down. So Sadie came across a white label of gold, of high level, and we checked it out and we're like, okay, this is what we need. And then we created our own because it's not what you do. You just create your own when it's just not working for you. We took everything that we wanted and put it all together, and here we go. Subtrio. This is for all our online business friends, okay? You can thank me later. Yep, because we have a platform that will help you thrive, grow, and well, actually, it will help you create, automate, and profit. That's what we're all about. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to walk you through a little bit. I want to go down here and like I said, Subtrio is an all-in-one platform and it's perfect for course creators, bloggers, and digital entrepreneurs. We have them all in Subtrio. And yes, you get a 30-day free trial. Who does that? We do. We do. Let's go ahead and start with our little tour here. And right here, funnel and website builder. You can design as many funnels, websites you want. There's forms, surveys, there's the email campaign builder. It has automations. We have templates in there. We load up templates in there prior to you. When you first get into it, there'll be stuff already in there. So you can just, get going. But we'll talk about that later, okay? So instead of having to duct tape everything together, it's all in one. And this right here is probably the most important part of it. You want landing pages, you want stores. It's just there's a lot. And you can create as many as you want. And when I say create, when you create one and you find something that you really love, you can clone it. Clone, 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 clone. Cloning is going to save you so much time and energy. All right. Basically, that saved you $50 right there. Now, client portal. This is really important. This is where it has everything for our clients. You can have an unlimited number of courses. You can have unlimited videos and media, and you can host as many students or customers or clients as you want. The client portal it's basically like right here. This right here is my Camera Clubhouse membership sign in. Well, actually now it is Pam Allen Online. When you pick it, there we go. Basically, it has everything. They're able to sign in, and then when they sign in, they have this really cool dashboard, and you create the images. Sometimes when you go into a client portal, they already have images, maybe be able to change a color, but that's about it, right? but you have all the tools just to change and brand this for you. As you can see right here, real tiny, there's my logo, and then I just have the colors matching my logo. So now that basically is going to save you $100. Email marketing. Email marketing for um, an online business owner is very, very important because that's where you make your money. I'm gonna do a little break. I make money with almost every email that I send out, and I have the receipts for that. So, just so you know, the email marketing is really important. And I think I was in MailerLite. I was paying, oh gosh, I got to a point that I had to get off the free, and then I was probably paying about $20 to $25 a month, but I wasn't sending that many. Now I send a lot, and let me tell you, I don't think I have paid over a 20 a month, and I send over 10K a month of emails. So this, let alone, is going to change and help you with the price of all your tools. Okay, so in email marketing, you can create the emails, and it has analytics. You can go in and see if your clients get the email, that you can manage it all in one. Designing the campaigns are beautiful. You can create templates that go into your workflows, and it tracks everything. And that is something that we need. So that's going to save you about $40 a month. All right. Now the e-commerce store. Yes. So there's Etsy and Teacher Pay Teacher, but you could have your own commerce store. I know the traffic wouldn't be thousands, millions and stuff, but guess what? It's yours, and you could also put the stuff up in Etsy and Teacher Pay Teacher as well. But you're going to be able to have your own. It is, and you can have as many stores as you want, and you can pick and choose what products go in there. It is a beautiful thing. You get a products page, you get detail page, you get cart page, checkout, thank you. You can even set up a marketplace, all kinds of things that you could do with the e-commerce store, and everything is connected. If someone buys something from your store, you connect it to a workflow that thanks them and gives them, and it's basically automated. Well, it is automated. Yes, please. That saves about $40 a month. And then you have the CRM, appointment booking, and sales system. This is where, if you have a calendar and you want to have bookings, yes, there's an appointment booking. You can have them pay right there in it. It tracks. There's a dashboard task manager. If you have things that you need to do, you can just put them in the task. This is probably one of my favorite part of it, because having everything and being able to have a calendar and it connects to my Google. I get, oh, Pam, you have an appointment. It is so beautiful, and it just flows and connects. Amazing. Okay, there you got it. Now, guess what? It also does social media management. You can go in and bulk schedule your Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, even Google My Business, all from Subtrio. The social planner is very easy. And like I said, you can schedule them. You can, it even shows analytics to all this. This is a big time saver. And yeah, that's going to save you $25 a month. But then that doesn't stop. We also have an affiliate manager. When you have products, you set up an affiliate for it, and then everything is right there. Like, you can send them, you can have some swipe, You can have images for them. And and you can track the performance. You can email them. It's a beautiful thing. I use my affiliate manager every day. I actually use all of these all the time. And my business has grown over about 50K in the last year. And I have Subtrio to thank for that, because if I didn't have all these systems together, I'd be going crazy, because I'd have to go here, basically duct tape my business together. And I was there. I was doing that. I was paying for Mailer Lite. I was paying for Flowdesk too for some reason. I had Podia for courses. I had all kind, and then doing the social media somewhere else. I was paying, I think, later or something like that. I can't remember what it was called, but my goodness, when I was able to take all that away and just go to Subtrio for $97 a month, that was a no-brainer for me. No-brainer. And I haven't looked back. So basically, who this is perfect for is course creators, bloggers, digital entrepreneurs, social media managers, small business owners, coaches, and consultants, creative. If you fall into any of that, you are good here. And also, I want to tell you about the community with Subtrio. We have a Facebook group. We are actually going to have a community on Subtrio. Also, we do weekly office hours, and we have so many people that have been in Subtrio for, a year, a couple years, that they are so willing to help you. We even have one of our Subtrio members, she started business to help people start on Subtrio. So we have those resources as well. Okay, make sure you check everything out and sign up for the 30-day trial. What is it going to hurt? 30 days, you just get in here, you see what's going. We also offer a 10-day email onboarding. And so check out what's in. You basically get the same, but there is unlimited everything, pretty much unlimited. And we also have a help desk as well. All right. There you have it. And what is stopping you? Go ahead and sign up right now. And like I said, you'll always have support and the community within Subtrio. It is create, automate, and profit.